Well, today I have another mail surprise, another mail call. So this is a grouping of books that I purchased on Whatnot. They came out of Canada, so it took a bit of a spell to get here. And to be perfectly honest, I have no idea what I got. There is a fairly large amount of books in here. So we are going to explore them together. Like I said, I have no idea. But it's been, to be perfectly honest, it's been several weeks uh, in getting here. And this is from, let's see, this is comic-ozzi, and that's OZZI in Toronto, Canada. So it did take a bit. I was kind of surprised, but all in all, there is a lot of books here. So let's take a look. So let's start by separating everything. I always love, opening CGC boxes, but you know what? This is just as fun. And if you're not shopping on Whatnot, you're missing out actually. So we'll start here, get all this tape off, and then we'll look at these one at a time. Like I said, I have absolutely no idea. I cannot remember for the life of me what I purchased. I know there's some Silver Age in here, stuff that I thought was worthy. So let's take a look. I think we got the first book free here, almost. All right. Here is a newsstand, Secret Wars. It appears to be in fairly good shape. I would give this, there's a few Marvel crinkles at the top. I would call this at least an 8, an 8.5. I don't see any spine stress. It is a newsstand. So that's awesome. Okay, next book. Well, that is actually a backer board. And another backer board. Okay, Ghost Rider #2. Now this has a bit of a water stain right here. That is actually not a problem for me. That is something I specialize in removing here at Flying L Comics. Excellent. Next book, X-Men 56. This one's in gorgeous shape. I would call this an 8. I thought there was some chipping here. It's actually the printing on the rear cover. It's kind of wrapped around, but this one's in great shape. Marvel Spotlight #7. This one's in good shape too. It's got a little bit of staining here, but this is actually easy to remove. Beautiful. I'm very happy with everything. Here is a gorgeous X-Men #48. It does have multiple creases along the spine. This would probably be about a 5, 4.5 to a 5. Still very good. There's a series of Daredevil books in here. I think I bought one major key and then they threw in a bunch of extra Daredevils with this. So that's probably what that is. Yep. And here is the key that I bought. Now, this is a gorgeous book. It is showing a lot of staining. It's got several creases across the top of the spine. We can lighten all this up, which I will do. I don't see it looks in great shape. It's definitely a 3 or a 4, but I got such a great deal on it, I could not pass it up. And then again, we got some more toss-ins. I hate saying dollar bin items, but it is what it is. Okay, and this should be, yes it is, Captain America 111. Now this one, this is a Stranko cover. It's actually in excellent shape. I don't see any spine stress. This I'll probably use this in one of the videos, and we'll just do a lightening and clean up all the pages, and it should be a great book when it's done. More Captain America. Let's see, and he threw in some more Secret Wars, and that was because I bought the number 8. All right, that's a great unboxing. I always like seeing these things. Anyway, until next time.